Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to add Facebook lead ads leads to Zoho Bigin CRM. So let's suppose I'm running a digital marketing agency and collecting all my leads with the help of Facebook lead ads. Now I want that whenever I receive a new lead in my Facebook lead ads, it should be automatically added as a lead in Zoho Bigin. So I completely want to automate this process, and to do that I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between Facebook lead ads and Zoho Bigin. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is trigger and action. Here as my trigger application, I'm going to take Facebook lead ads from where I will receive new leads, and this complete workflow here will get triggered. And then in my action application, I'm going to take Zoho Bigin where the lead will be added automatically. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to add Facebook lead ad leads to Zoho Bigin CRM. For this, we are going to create automation between Facebook lead ads and Zoho Bigin with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign into a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, we can see two options: sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in. But if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in, and here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I have to open this Pabbly Connect access now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you just need to click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow. And first I need to give the workflow name and then select the folder in which I want to save this workflow. So first let's name this workflow as how to add Facebook lead ad lead to Zoho Bigin CRM. Now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders that have been created, and I want to select this Facebook lead automations and then click on create. Now as soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow, but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to add Facebook lead ads leads to Zoho Bigin CRM, which means whenever I will receive new lead in Facebook lead ads, that lead will be added in my Zoho Bigin, which means whenever I will receive leads in Facebook lead ads, this complete workflow here will get triggered. So here in my trigger application, I am going to take Facebook lead ads. And then in my trigger event, I want to take this new lead instant. Now I have to click on this connect. So if you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection and then click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. Here, as I have already logged into my Facebook account, it's asking me to enter the Facebook account, and I want to continue with this account itself. So I will choose that and authorization successful. So Facebook lead ads is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter these two details, which is page and the lead gen form. Now so to enter the page, let me take you to my Facebook account. So this is my Facebook account, and this is the page that I have created by the name Digital Dynamics, and I want to promote all my advertisements with the help of this page. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect, and from this page drop down, select my page as Digital Dynamics. And then I need to enter this lead gen form. So to enter this lead gen form, let me take you to Meta for Developers. So this is the app dashboard of Meta for Developers, and you can visit this simply by typing developers.facebook.com. Now over here I can see all these options. Here I have to click on this resources, and then I have to click on this developer tools. Now if I scroll down, I will be able to find this lead ads RTO debug tool. So I will open this. And then in my page section, I'm going to select that as Digital Dynamics, and then I have two forms made under this page. So one is the inquiry form and the other is lead ads form. So both of the forms have the same field. first name, last name, email, phone, first name, last name, email, phone. So I'm going to use this lead ads form, and then I'll go back to Pabbly Connect, and from this lead gen form I'll select my form as lead ads form. Now after entering these two details, which is page and the lead gen form, I have to click on the save and send test request. Now over here I can see waiting for the webhook response, and under this it is written, now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. This means so as to get the webhook response over here, I need to do a test submission, for which I need to go back to Meta for Developers lead ads testing tool, and from over here my page is Digital Dynamics, my form is this. So as I have already submitted one form, I have to make sure that I first delete my lead and then refresh the page once. And then from this drop down select my page as Digital Dynamics and the form as lead ads form. Now I have to click on this preview form. So over here this form has opened in front of me. It has first name, last name, email and phone, and I'm going to enter some dummy details over in these fields. So let's say my first name is new, my last name is user, my email address is new8457@pabblytudes.com, and then my mobile number is. Now I have to click on this continue, and then I have to click on this submit. So as I have submitted my form, this detail should be added and received in my Pabbly Connect. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And over here we can see we have received the response. The first name was new, the last name was user, email address was new8457@pabblytudes.com, and the phone number is this. So we have received the response. The form that we have submitted in Facebook lead ads has been received by Pabbly Connect. So this means Pabbly Connect is successfully connected with Facebook lead ads, and now I need to move to my next step, which is action step. So here I want to add all these leads to Zoho Bigin CRM whenever I receive leads in my Facebook lead ads. So here in my action application I am going to take Zoho Bigin, and then in my action event I am going to take create contact. Now I have to click on this connect. So if you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, and then I have to click on this connect with Zoho Bigin. Now over here I need to enter the domain in which my Zoho account belongs. So we have examples over here. So to enter this, I will open my Zoho Bigin, and on the top I can see this zoho.in, which is my domain. So I will copy this and paste that over here. Now I'll click on save. So over here I have already logged into my Zoho Bigin account, and I just need to grant away some permissions, for which I need to click on this accept, because my data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect and authorization successful. So Zoho Bigin is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter all these details. So over here first I need to enter the owner. So here in my Zoho Bigin I have entered the name of the owner, then I have to enter the first name. So to enter this I am going to use a method called mapping, which means I am going to enter data from my previous response. So I have received response in my Facebook lead ads, and as soon as I click on this Facebook lead ads, I'll be able to see all the responses that I have received from there. So I need to enter the first name. For that I will click on this new, and then last name is a required field. I will follow the same process and enter the last name as user. And then I have not received any response for this date of birth, so I'm skipping this. And then in the lead source, as this is not a required field, I'm skipping this. And then in the email address, I will follow the same process and enter the email address as new8457@pabblytudes.com. And then I have to enter my mobile number, which was this one. So over here, company name, description, mailing, street, city, state, country, zip, delivery number are not required fields, so I'm skipping this. But if you have received the response for these details, you can enter following the same process. Now over here mapping is important, so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make these fields static, and the information will not change even if you have received a new response. Over here, if I manually enter any data, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep these fields dynamic, we use this process mapping. Now after entering all the details and all the responses that I have received, I have to scroll down and click on the save and send test request. And here I can see I have received the response. The status is success with all the other details. Now I need to open my Zoho Bigin and check whether this contact has been created there or not. So here on the left hand side I can see all these options. Here I have to click on this contacts, and here I can see I've instantly created this contact new user. The email address was new8457@pabblytudes.com. The phone number was this. Now to check whether this automation is working perfectly fine or not, let's open our lead ads testing tool, delete the lead and then refresh the page. And then from this page drop down, I am going to select my page as digital dynamics and then my inquiry form as lead ads form. Now I have to click on this preview. So here again I am going to enter some dummy details. So let's say my first name is. So here I have entered some dummy details. My first name is latest, my last name is lead, my email address is lead@pabblytudes.com and my phone number is this one. Now I have to click on this submit. So here we have submitted a form. Now I need to open my Zoho Bigin and check whether the contact has been created there or not. So here I will first refresh this page. And then I can see I have created this demo lead also. The email address was demo@pabblytudes.com. The phone number was this. Now to summarize, we took Facebook lead ads as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect, submitted a form and received the response in Pabbly Connect, after which we took action application as Zoho Bigin CRM where we wanted to create contact. We entered the details. Then in my next action application, I took Zoho Bigin CRM where we wanted to create contact. We entered all these details with the help of mapping. Simply clicked on the save and send test request and received the response as success in my Zoho Bigin CRM. So we have successfully created automation between Facebook lead ads and Zoho Bigin with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.